Hey guys, welcome to my beauty. It's your girl Cece. Forgive me for my unenthusiastic ways today, but I do not feel good. I feel like crap. I went to the emergency room the other night and the nurse missed my vein and blood went everywhere. I should sue him. Anyway, so we're doing granola today. We're doing 3 different types of granola. I got this ghetto set up because I didn't want to do it over 3 times. So we're just going to do 3 different ones on one sheet. So the first one we're going to do is, damn, I forgot. Honey pecan. There we go. So I got 2 tablespoons of honey in here. And I got a tablespoon of oil, if I can get a tablespoon. Now, you want to keep this healthy, use coconut oil. And I got 2 tablespoons of brown sugar here. And we're gonna stir that all up. It looks pretty sticky. Probably could use some more oil.
Looks yummy too.
It does look yummy. Oops, wrong one. A little bit more oil in here. Alright, and then what we're going to do, we're not making a whole lot, a big batch. I'm just making small batches of each. So I got a cup of oats and 1/4 of a cup of pecans. And we're just going to toss that until it gets coated. And you can also add a dash of cinnamon if you like. Guess I could have did that.
Live in the moment.
Live in the moment.
Make granola.
Okay. Oops.
Look at you. You're gonna clean that mess.
Oh, shut up. And don't forget, you need a dash of salt.
A dash.
A dash.
Salt-based style.
All right. So that's basically it for this one. It's really simple. We're gonna pour this onto here, and then I'm gonna show you which one to do next. Okay, darlings. Okay, guys, we're back. Now we're gonna do hazelnut chocolate one. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say shit talking mushroom.
Okay, baby. We got 1/4 a cup of agave syrup. I hope that ain't too much. Got 2 tablespoons of oil. Stir that up together. It might be a little much, but you know,
It is what it is.
it is what it is. We got a cup of oats here, and we got 1/4 a cup of hazelnut. So
Hazelnut.
of course this has to go in the oven, so the chocolate will not go in it until it comes out and cools off. God, I need a little bit of salt. Everything needs salt just about.
Sweet and salty.
Alright, and that is it for this one. Like I said, these are really simple granola recipes. Maybe I'll do some more complex ones with like seeds and stuff in it down the line. But alright, that's it. We're going to do the same. We're going to pour it over here. And we got one more. I'll figure it out. Okay, so now we're doing a vanilla almond granola. So
yummy.
I was going to make it more almondy, if that's a word, which I'm pretty sure it's not.
Almondy?
Almondy. And use almond extract as well as vanilla extract, but I don't have almond extract. I thought I did, but I have maple extract. Totally different. But anyway, we're going to start off with 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup. And then we have 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Gonna give that a stir. And then we're gonna add in a cup of oats as usual, and then 1/4 a cup of almonds. And we're going to give that a toss up. Don't forget the salt. Always forget the salt.
Dash of salt.
A dash of salt, basically. Yep. And just stir that up until it gets all mixed in. It smells yummy.
You smell yummy.
Do I?
I suppose.
Okay, and if you want with this one, if you want it a little more sweet, you can add in like a little bit of just a little bit of brown sugar if you want. Actually, I might do that. Don't look. And if you're trying to stay a little bit more healthy, you know, you can not put as much. I'm just gonna put a little bit.
A sprinkle.
A sprinkle. Make sure you stir it up really good. All right. So it's gonna be our last one. All right. We're gonna spread that. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put this in the oven at 300 degrees for 30 minutes. Make sure you stir it every 10 minutes. Don't forget. Don't forget. Like I would forget because, yeah.
Because you're you.
So stir this. Stir all of them every 10 minutes to make sure it doesn't burn on, make sure it doesn't burn. So we're gonna put this in 30 minutes, 300 degrees, and we're gonna take it out and let it cool, and I'll show you it. Yeah. Okay, darling. So as you can see, I've taken it out of the oven. So it did work perfect on 300 for 30 minutes. Just make sure you turn it every 10 minutes, whatever. Anyway, here is the honey pecan. It did. But you know, a lot of granola sticks together like that. So you can just break it up if you want. My man said he likes the clusters.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do that. And what I'm gonna do with this one is add in some dried pecan, dried cranberries. And just mix that up together. You don't have to, you can omit it. This is just something extra to add to it. I think between all of them, the vanilla almond is my favorite. And then it would be the honey almond, and then it would be the hazelnut. I'm not too big of a fan of roasted hazelnuts, but a lot of people like it. So for this one, to give it more of like a Nutella, I guess, vibe. This one, like I said, this is gonna be chocolate hazelnut. I have some milk chocolate here. I thought I had dark chocolate, but I ran out. So I'm just gonna break in some milk chocolate. Dark chocolate is definitely healthier for you, and it has a bunch of antioxidants and all that stuff. So if you have dark chocolate, try to use that. Right now I'm just showing you right here. We're just gonna do the milk chocolate. Or if you just prefer milk chocolate because it's sweeter, do it that way. You like dark chocolate, right, baby?
Yes.
Yeah, he likes dark chocolate. And this one kind of got some clusters in it too. And we're just going to do that with this one. And that's pretty much it for those two. This one is fine how it is. This one, like I said, is my favorite. It's really yummy. So, yep, that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed this. Maybe I'll make some future granolas with different stuff like sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, stuff like that in. But just want to do these 3 basic. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I love you guys. Bye.
Look at you.
Waiting for the granola to cook.
It's okay. Chocolate chip cookies are good for your mental health.
Cut the damn camera